Number 10. Bentley Mulliner Batour. The 2026 Bentley Mulliner Batour represents one of the most exclusive and powerful Grand Tours ever crafted by Bentley. Crafted by the Mulliner division, it presents a striking new design language that will influence Bentley's upcoming models. The vehicle is equipped with a 6.0-liter twin-turbo W12 engine that produces 740 horsepower and 738 pound-feet of torque, establishing it as the most powerful Bentley to date. Equipped with an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission and all-wheel drive, it accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.2 seconds and reaches speeds exceeding 208 miles per hour. The incorporation of adaptive air suspension, rear-wheel steering, and active anti-roll control guarantees a sophisticated and dynamic driving experience. The Batour features exceptional craftsmanship with options for customizable materials such as sustainable leather and gold accents. The starting price is approximately $2.1 million. Number 9. Volvo S90. The 2026 Volvo S90 signifies a new chapter in Scandinavian luxury, seamlessly integrating classic elegance with advanced technology. This flagship sedan presents a refreshed design, showcasing a sleeker silhouette, newly designed LED Thor's hammer headlights, and a striking front grille that highlights contemporary elegance. The cabin features exceptional craftsmanship, utilizing sustainable materials, sophisticated ambient lighting, and Volvo's renowned minimalist design approach. The 2026 S90 is anticipated to feature a range of powertrains, including a sophisticated 2.0-liter turbocharged hybrid engine and an all-electric option. The hybrid generates approximately 300 horsepower, whereas the electric vehicle variant is expected to achieve over 400 horsepower, offering a range of up to 370 miles on a single charge. A refined 8-speed automatic transmission and optional all-wheel drive efficiently handle power, offering both comfort and control. The latest technology includes a new infotainment system with Google built in, a clear 15-inch screen, updates that can be downloaded wirelessly, and Level 3 autonomous driving features to enhance safety. The anticipated pricing for the 2026 Volvo S90 is projected to commence at approximately $58,000 for the base model, with elevated trims in the electric vehicle variant, potentially reaching up to $75,000. The S90 presents a remarkable combination of luxury, safety, and innovation. Number 8.